Hi guys, in this YouTube video I will show you how to set up dnscrypt on OpenBSD to gain encrypted DNS to improve your internet privacy. First of all, pkg add dnscrypt and nano test editor. The package name is called dnscrypt-proxy, not only dnscrypt. Let's install it. Now let's go to etc resolve.conf. Let's delete the latest name server 127.0.0.1. Now let's put our DNS server. I've chosen Cloudflare, so 1.1.1.1, and the backup server 1.0.0.1. Save, exit, lctl, enable, unbound, lctl, start, unbound. A quick test to check if the internet is working. Let's ping 3 times. Google.com, and our internet is working with the updated DNS script. See you later, guys.